Good day, Divergence traders. How we all doing today? Today is Wednesday, July 5th, I do believe. Yeah, Wednesday, July 5th. All right, as you can see, right out of the gate, they just took it up. Right up. I actually thought they were going to drag it down some more first before they took it up, but no. But just let me show you quickly, not that we cover this analysis, but let's just take a quick look in the 4 hour. Okay, here's all the arrows from last week's trades. So you see right here, this dip, just let me remove these arrows here. Let's just show you what I'm looking at. And the games they play. Should have done this before we started the video. Oh, lots of lines, lots of lines. Anyway, this is good enough. There we go, I caught it. You see this dip right here? Yeah, and then you see another dip. This is on the 4 hour. Earlier this week. And what did they do here? What did they do here? Huh? Now, I guess fair value gap and VWAP traders probably trade this. This is probably more so the structure of fair value gap. What am I looking for? I can't multitask too good. Okay, right here. So if you draw this right in here, why didn't that work? Rectangle. There it is. You can see they came down and people who were long in here, they came and they got your stops today and here. People who had your stop under here, they came and got it. And they play their dirty game and then they shoot it up. That's what they do. Now we're pulling off that high, about 35 points. Now the question is, will they take it right back down and then down some more? I don't know. Don't know. But anyway, we trade the 5 minute, okay? And the 5 minute is showing down now on my thing. But anyway. Oh, I got that big green thing there. I got to move that out of there now. All right. Back to the 5 minute. Okay, so we have the FMOC today. Probably shoot up higher yet today. Who knows? But anyway, basically there was a double bottom right over here. Is it perfect? No, but it's close enough. And it worked. And here's the divergence, okay? Which you would get in right here before the open of the U.S. stock market. This is the NASDAQ we're looking at. So we would have got long here. Our stop would have been at the lowest, closest, nearest low. 21 point stop, and it shot up 150 points, okay? Smoked right through all the pivots. The main pivot, R1, R2, R3. Okay, let's look at the Dow now. And here's the setup right here. This light gray here is the start of the UK session, US session. This is the end of the UK session. Let's just take a quick look over here. Was there a trade over here? Oh yeah, right here. From here to here. You would have sold it and down it went. 100 points there, 125 points there. And as you can see, we came right back up now to this level over here where we would have got short. I wouldn't be surprised they'll take it back. They'll take it up here today. But Who knows? Anyway, let's get back to this here. All right. Just do the signals today here. People have things to do. I have things to do. So you would have got in somewhere in here. Stop would have been 26 points. Went up 86 points. Oh, 100 to over here. Okay. That's it for the Dow. Let's see the S&P. Same as the NASDAQ, basically. And I could show you setups on the 1 minute where there was divergence. Let me just show you if I can find one. Let me see right here. Let's put it right on there. Let's go to the 1 minute. Yep. There it is. Just to show you how valid and important this is. Okay? That's why we have the dashboard, because at this time, okay, on the 5 minute, let me go show you. Hold on, let me show you the divergence first. So the divergence is right here, high and higher highs, okay? And right here to here. Okay, so it told you to take a short right there. That's what it told you. If you're following the rules of my course. And on the 5 minute, okay, you see the 5 is above the 7. That means it's bullish. It means don't sell, don't sell. You're gonna be caught in a trap. Don't sell. We're in a you know, from way down here, we're in an upward trend. Don't sell here. Don't get suckered on the 1 minute. That's what that is. And there is again, let me show you. We have a high and a higher high. This is 2 of them now. Okay? If you're going to trade divergence, counter trend divergence, you would have sold there and you would have got stopped out. Your stop would have been right there. You would have got stopped out. You would have lost. And again, right here, okay? Let me put the doodah on there. You would have got short right there. Okay? Now, let's go look at the 5 minute. Was the 5 below the 7? No. No. So it did go down a little bit, but then it went back up, and if your stop was here, they would have got your stop. That's why I made this, I keep forgetting the name, I'm so sorry. Like I said before, I've had 3 strokes. Sometimes I can't say what I want, what I'm thinking, or trying to think what I want to say. Please excuse that. Anyway, that's why I created this dashboard. Because at the time, when it was saying sell on the 1 minute, the 5 minute was saying don't do it. Actually, there was probably all of these time frames saying don't do it. We're in an upward move. Don't sell. Don't sell. It's a trap. It's a trap. Don't sell. Okay? It's just like, no, don't cut the yellow wire. No, it's a trap. It's a trap. Cut the green wire. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. That was my little stupid humor for the day. Anyway. No selling today. Only buying dips. Okay? And yeah, that's what I guess I forget to show you. Let me put this back on here. Let me just show you here. So the sell was on here. So let's go to the 1 minute. Okay? Let's take off the auto scroll. Now, this was the sell fake right here, right? Yeah. But what do we have here? What do we have here? And what do we have here? Right after it trapped you into selling right here. Okay? What happened? This is what happened. Let me show you. This is the trade you should have taken right here. There. At the time, it would have said, you know, we're in an uptrend, and it would have been okay to take this trade. So once this, see how the 5 crossed down below the 7, then crossed back up again? Then this is where you would have got long. Your stop would have been right here, 35 points. And went up 55 points. That's what you should have done. Not sell against the trend, against the higher time frame, which this is a 1 minute, see? But on the 5 minute, the arrow was up. So everything was in agreement to buy it here. And again over here, okay? I'm pretty sure on the 5 minute, yes, see? Right here was the next trade to buy it up. And the 5 was still above the 7, so it still would have said, yes, it's okay. We would have had the up arrow, meaning only buy. No sells on the way up, only buys. Okay, let me lock that and go back to the 1 minute. Yes. So right here was the trade to buy. So you would have got long right here, and up it went, 37 points. So there's your 2 winners of the day. It's you know, not falling for the sell fakes. This was a sell fake. This was a sell fake, and waiting for the 5 to cross back up over the 7, and you got long and you made money. You got long and you made money. And if you're just looking at the 5 minute, okay, then you're just looking to buy dips. So right here, buy a dip, up it goes. Right here, buy a dip somewhere in here, and up it goes. Same thing. Except on the 1 minute, it showed you a little bit more accurately where to get in. So this is why I created this dashboard. So you don't do the wrong thing at the wrong time. You see what I'm saying? Like I said in my other videos, people lose money because they are buying when they should be selling, or they are selling. That's in an uptrend. In an uptrend, you need to be buying, not selling, because you'll lose. And in a downtrend, you need to be selling, not buying, right? So like I said, people who lose money, they're buying when they should be selling, or they're selling when they should be buying. And that's it. There's no other way to explain it. It's as simple as that. And why people will sell all the way up and lose and lose and lose? Because they fear that they're going to buy the top and lose. That's why. So they sell all the way up in an uptrend, and they buy all the way down in a downtrend. And it's the wrong thing to do at that time. I wrote that piece. It was on my very first website in 2009, and it explains it. Why people do these things, okay? Their innermost thoughts, their subconscious, you know? They're afraid to buy it right here because they fear that they're going to buy the top and it's going to go back down, and they're going to lose. And like over here in a downtrend, they will buy it right here, and it'll go down. Then they'll buy it again, and it'll go down, because they fear that if they sell it, they're going to sell it at the bottom, and the price is going to go up, and they're going to lose. That's what that's all about. Okay, let's move on now. I hope that makes sense to all of you guys. Okay, let's take a look at oil. What did oil do today? Oh, I'm just looking at it now. I was very busy this morning doing stuff. Not trading today. Okay. You can see how it danced off $71. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times, 7 times, 8 times. Wow, they do not want to they do not want the price to go below $71 a barrel. That's pretty easy to see. And they sold off at $72 a barrel up here. Yeah, yeah. You see how important those lines are, those levels? You know? It's like a miracle. Look at it. Shows you, like, if you're a support and resistance trader, you would have bought right here, up it goes. Again, bought right here, up it goes. Bought right here, up it goes. Again, up here, up it goes. And again, just now, in the last 20 minutes, they bought again off $71 and up it goes. Anyway, it's kind of a weird one, but anyway, here's the divergence right here, like this. Okay, this is our line we had drawn here. It's the $71. So it would have got you in here, right here. Stop would have been 37 points. You got your 37 points. When we came up here, there was no trade. This really needed to be a little bit higher. I don't know. You could count it as a, you know, a double top right there, kind of like that. Not the best double top. It was off a little bit, but still, you could have done it. And you would have got short right in here. Right there. Sell right there. Stop would have been 35 points. Went down 50 points. Now what about over here? Yeah, there's no divergence from this low to this low because the price was following, or the indicator was following the price. Okay. Let's look at gold. Gold just sold off. Yeah, you see we have a high and a higher high. Same thing on the indicator. High and a higher high. There was no divergence to sell here. However, there was a cross down. Okay? But first, I'm missing one. Sorry. It's right here. We got lower lows right here. And boom. Can't miss that trade. You would have got long here. Went up 72 points. And here, if you sold it somewhere in here and it went all the way down here, then yes, you could trade a cross down. So as you know, I teach 3 different kinds of setups. I teach divergence setups. I teach scalping setups with lower closing candles, like right here in an uptrend, or higher closing candles in a downtrend. And I teach that, and I teach the crossovers, okay, if they look right. It's not just divergence. That's the 3 types of trades that I do. Anyway, there's one more trade. Let me show you. Oh, I gotta delete that. Stupid line has a mind of its own. Okay, right there. We have a low and a lower low right there. You would have got long right here. Stop would be 37 points. Oh, another 37 points. Hasn't gone 37 points yet. It needs to go up here. Okay, that's oil. Let's look at the pound yen. Oh, look at the pound yen. What a mess. Anyway, I'm just going to look at this one. Double bottom, double wicks. It's like screaming at you. Buy it. Buy it, man. Buy it. We got all time frames bullish here. Look at that. Anyway, like I said, if you would like a copy of this dashboard, all that you have to do is send me an email saying, please send dashboard, and I will send it very quickly. And like I said, I'm not collecting your email address. I'm just giving you this gift out of the goodness of my trading heart. Okay? And I even give you the source code if you want to do something with it, if you know how to code. That's how much I'm telling you that I'm not trying to sell you this dashboard. I'm not trying to sell you anything else. It's free for the taking. If I just want to help you so that you don't sell in an uptrend or buy in a downtrend. That's the reason why I'm giving it to you. And that's it. Okay, so double bottom would have got in right here. Went up 30 pips. This is the pound yen. And you had a 19 to 25 point pip stop loss. Okay, let's take a look at the euro yen. Same kind of thing. Okay. Oh. Do we have divergence? Oh, yeah. See it? Right here. Doo-dah. Doo-dah. Okay. First trade of the day. High and higher high. Hi, how are ya? Okay. And you would have got... Oh, my fingers are paining me today. You see, my left hand, all my fingers are numb. The blood has come out of it. And the left side of my head is all numb still. And it's been over 2 years since I got that shot. Anyway, I'm healing now slowly. So the tips of my fingertips, the blood's trying to get in back in there again into those tiny little vessels, and it hurts when it's doing it. All right, okay, we would have got short here. Our stop would have been 14 pips, and it went down 40. Okay, then we have a low and a lower low right there like that. Boom. And up we go. And oh, my fingers. Shit. So you would have got long here. 16 pips it went up, and 15. Yeah, would have hit your 1-to-1 already. Probably go back up here today, and you could have got like 40 pips. Okay. Now let's look at the pound dollar. This is the last pair of my analogy. What did it do? Let's see here. I think we have 3 setups. Yeah, we do. We do. Okay. We got a low and a lower low. And we got this. See what I bought right in here. When the 5 crossed up and closed over the 7. Boom. Would have got long right there. Went up 38 pips, and the stop was only 10 pips. You would have got 3-to-1 win-loss ratio. Then, there was probably divergence over here too. It's like a triple top or whatever. See right here? To sell it down into here. But that's in the UK session. We're not paying attention to that. Just wanted to show you there was a setup there too. All right. You would have got short right in there, and look what it did. Look what it did. I call this the scare stop, where it goes up, puts in a high, retracement, higher high, and then it gives you the signal to sell, and they take it right back up, but they don't take it above that wick. That's where our stop would have been, right here. Instead, they take it right up to R1, very close to your stop, scare the living caca out of you, right? And then what do? They sell it down. I've talked about this in my other videos. I call it the scare stop because they scare you into thinking that it's going to go and hit your stop, and it doesn't, and it goes down. They're dirty bastards. You know, they play their games. In order for them to make money, you got to lose money. Somebody's got to lose money, right? And this is what they do over and over again. Okay, so we would have got short here. We would have took some heat. Oh, it's only 12 pip stop on the pound dollar. You would have took some heat, 10 pips of heat. And it went down 20 pips. So that's 2-to-1 win-loss ratio. Okay, so that's it for today. So anyway, I just want to say again, I'm not trying to collect your email address. I'm not trying to sell you upsell you anything for thousands of dollars or anything like that. I just want to give you this dashboard for free. That's it. If you don't want it, that's fine. Anyway, I'm going to continue to show you all the buy fakes and sell fakes that this dashboard eliminated. Okay? I'm going to show them to you every day because it happens every day, you know? For sure. Like, I could put a line. Look, I'll show you. One more and then I'll end the stream. Right here, okay? So, I guarantee we were bullish on the 5-minute, okay, when this setup happened. Okay, let me show you. Let me go on the 1 minute. Oh, charts are screwed up. Okay, let's go back here to that line. Okay. Oh, maybe there wasn't divergence there, or was there? There definitely was bullish divergence to buy right here. Okay. On the 1 minute. I could call this like a top like this. Look, let me show you. Right here is divergence. Okay. Call it like a 5x top, whatever. See, right here like this. See? You would have sold right here, and you would have been caught in the trap. Because on the 5-minute, it would have showed an up arrow, meaning on the 5-minute, see, the 5 is still above the 7. It was telling you, don't sell. Okay, there you go. There you have it. There's another one. There's probably another one right here. But at the same time, okay, it was giving you the correct trade to do, which is right here to buy it, and up it went. How much did it go up? There's the pound dollar. Yeah, it went up 16, 17 pips. Because you were, let me show you the trade, right here. And right here. See, there's the hidden divergence right there. This one's going down, this one's going up. You would have bought right here on the cross up over the 7, and you would have been right. Boom, 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 with very little drawdown. Do you see how awesome that is? You got to see how awesome that is. I don't know. Anyway, I think it's awesome. It all fits into my divergence. And you've heard this only here, nowhere else. I doubt very much. I've searched for divergence channels, and all that I see is somebody, most of the time, is somebody teaching divergence in the wrong way, okay? And that's it. They do 1 or 2 videos, and that's it. But nobody shows these setups every day except for me. So if you like divergence and you want to trade divergence, you are on the right channel. Thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. Have yourself a great afternoon, and good luck and good trading.